Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Roblox Memory Dump error on Windows. If Roblox keeps showing the memory dump error or crashes while launching, these steps may help fix the problem. So let's get started. First, locate the Roblox shortcut on your desktop. Right-click on it and select Properties. Now click on Open File Location. Here, right-click on Roblox Player Beta and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Turn on Run this program in compatibility mode and select Windows 8. Then enable Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Also turn on Run this program as an administrator. Now click Apply and then OK. Launch Roblox and check if the problem has been fixed. If the error is still there, press Windows +R to open the Run dialog. Type %temp% and press Enter. From here select Roblox folder and delete it. If Windows says that some files are currently in use, simply click Skip for those files. Once you have finished, restart your computer. Now launch Roblox again and check if the memory dump error has been fixed. So this is how you can fix the Roblox memory dump error on Windows. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro.